We had recently arrived to the island of Sardinia and were about to start an incredible road trip.
Hello and welcome to another video. We are here in the city of Cagliari on Italy's biggest island called Sardinia, and it's located in the southwest part of Italy. Today we will be starting our drive up the east coast of the island. We got this rental car here for 100 euros per day. It was quite a hassle to try to get a rental car here.
Yesterday William walked around for 2 hours talking to different people at different rental car agencies, and we finally found a company that we could get a car with, so yeah.
Here we go, we're on the way. We have about 2.5 hours up to the most famous place here in Sardinia, called Baunei.
We had just started our road trip on the island of Sardinia, located in the south part of Europe and close to the very north part of Africa. Also close by is the mainland of Italy, France and Tunisia in Africa.
We had to actually stop here real quick to fill up gas. The gas is 2 euros per liter, so that's about $8 per gallon. Maria's getting coffee here and then we will be on the road again.
So loud.
This doesn't spill. This is...
So I think we have figured out where we are going. We had to stop for a bit, but the map is all set, and I think we will be starting the drive. 2.5 hours.
No, 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah.
To Arbatrax.
We had started driving again and were about to go along the east side up to the most famous area called Baunei, where you have some of the nicest beaches in all of Europe.
We were on the way, but we happened to take a little detour because we missed a turn. So now we're going through the mountains instead, a bit out from the coast area. But I think we will be coming out to the coast soon again. We've been driving for a while, maybe 45 minutes, and haven't seen almost anything on the side of the roads. It's really empty here, only mountains and some bushes, but also a lot of dry areas.
Yeah.
We stopped a bit on the way here. It's so hot outside. It must be like 35 Celsius or so, over 90 Fahrenheit. But once we make it to these incredible beaches, the drive will be all worth it. And the AC was nice and cold in here.
The drive had been quite empty, but we had almost reached the mountains now.
We stopped here after driving for about 1 hour, and this is the first beach, but the steep mountains have not started yet. That will be our next destination over there. Here is still a flat area, so let's go out and check out the beach.
The first beach we stopped at was really incredible, but it was just the beginning of this coastline, and we would see some even nicer ones along the way. This island has over 200 beaches, and many of them have been voted top best beaches in the world.
What a beautiful day. The sun is shining. We are here. But what you have seen maybe on the internet and the really incredible blue water and nice beaches, they are actually over there by the mountains. But hopefully we can get a little glimpse of the mountains over there, since we will be passing by with the car after we have been here on the beach. Now we just have to jump in and cool off and check the temperature in the water. Let's jump in and cool off! Cool off! It's time to cool off! Cool off! No. It feels so good, I can't believe it. It's much warmer here than what it was in Italy. Maybe, I don't know, maybe the water comes from like Tunisia in Africa or so. Because that's down south from Sardinia. I think you have like Tunisia and Algeria and what else? Morocco maybe. I don't know exactly on the map, but I know, it is much warmer. Now we have successfully cooled off, so we will be starting the journey up to the mountains and also find our hotel. Here we go again, we're back in the car and we will be going to a viewpoint, driving about 15 minutes to the viewpoint by the mountains and then continue through the mountains and into the hotel where we will be staying for the night. Here we go, here we go! We're driving down to a viewpoint here and we saw some goats here in between the mountains, so we stopped to see if we can say hi to the goats.
They're so cute! Hi guys!
So we stopped here for a bit just to have a look at this incredible landscape. Such nice flowers here and dramatic mountains, and also the blue Mediterranean Sea. Very nice.
This was the start of the coast of Baunei, with 20 miles or 32 kilometers of untouched landscapes, and a lot of them only accessible by boat or hiking. Now we're finally going to the Airbnb that we booked up in the mountains. Another 45-minute ride. So let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
We were on the way a bit inland again because most of the hotels and guest houses were located a bit out from the coast. I wonder why they have like these columns there.
Yeah, it's kind of strange.
Should we give him something?
So
Moo! I wish we had a carrot to give him something. Moo! Moo! We were getting a bit higher up through the mountains, and it was almost like we were on another planet. It was really peaceful and also a lot of animals along the way. Here comes a pig! He would probably like a cookie.
Oh, he's scared.
We stopped here to feed the pigs, and the landscape is so incredible here. Also some horses over there, but the pigs got scared, so now I have to eat the cookie instead. Yum, yum. We go, or should we film the horses?
Maybe we'll drive back through an area like this tomorrow.
I don't know. We were in the middle of nowhere and had passed the road going away from the mountains, but on the other side was a flat area with an old horse racing track that probably had not been used in a long time, since there were no houses nearby. In Sardinia there are about 3,700 mountains that have their own name. We were in the car again and had only about 10 minutes left to a village called Ursule. Now we have arrived to the Airbnb here, and it's quite nice. It's up in the mountains somewhere in a city called Ursule.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello. Good evening. Hello.
Hi.
It looks very nice, very nice. Now we have arrived here. Really nice view from the outside. So this is the Airbnb where we will be staying for a couple of days, and it's like a big apartment almost. Here is the bedroom where we're sleeping. We will be sleeping, and here is the toilet. Pretty nice toilet, and a little kitchen.
Yeah, it's really
Here's the kitchen, and here is the living room with coffee. I think maybe other people are supposed to be staying here also, but it seems like we are alone here, so we have the whole place to ourselves. Do you like the place?
It's very nice. Yeah, the view is wonderful too.
Yeah, it's a nice view.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
So this is the city of Ursule here, and it's kind of connected to the most famous coast here in Sardinia, which you can see on this side, all the mountains, and behind the mountains we have the incredible coastline with all the famous beaches. So that's what we will be doing tomorrow. We will take the car and drive over there and check out some of the really incredible beaches. This place is actually quite nice. There is a balcony on both sides and located right in the village between the mountains, which is kind of cool. And the best is the view on the other side. Now we're gonna make some evening tea. Evening tea. Now we're gonna try the bounce in the bed here.
Oh.
Or maybe not. I think this one will break for sure.
Oh no, oh no.
The day was almost over, but we started driving to one of very few restaurants in the town. We sat down here now at a restaurant called Sant'Angelo, Ristorante Sant'Angelo, and I got the capricciosa pizza. The pizza I've had here in Italy has been really good. Actually, every time I've had it, since it comes from Italy, that's probably why it's so good. This is the capricciosa, I think. Olives and some kind of ham and cheese and tomatoes. Pizza. Very good. We have arrived back here to the Airbnb. But this is the end of the video. I think the door is locked. I don't know how we're gonna get in. But in the next video we will be visiting these incredible beaches. So if you want to see that, then please subscribe to the channel and also leave this video a thumbs up. But see you next time.